How to use the cruise control on a Kia Niro EV. This is a 2024, but it's going to work on a lot of different Kias and Kia Niros, etc. So we're going to control it all from here. Now, a couple things. This is our lane assist, and when we turn even if this is off, when we turn the cruise control on, it's going to turn the lane assist on. And this is also adaptive cruise control. So if the car in front of us is slowing down, it's going to slow us down. But anyways, once we're driving, let's say we're driving 50 miles an hour, there's nothing on. If we hit this button here, it's going to turn on the cruise control, and it's going to show up on here that we're going 50 miles an hour. It will automatically set it. So there's no like set button, because as soon as you turn this on, it automatically sets it. And then once it's set, we can pause and resume it by this dial here. This is goes up and down, but we can also push it down. And if we push it in, it will pause it. And then if we push it in again, it will resume it. If we hit this again, it will completely turn it off. But anyways, and then we can accelerate by going up, and we can decelerate by going down, just using these buttons. So that's all there is to that. Hope this video helped. If it did, if you leave me a like, I'd really appreciate it. And make sure you subscribe to see more quick tutorials like this on this car and others.